First wheeling trip since I had my drive shaft mishap. Heading up to Brown Mountain with the K crew. We're actually going to go up to Linville Gorge, camp out the night, and then go down to Brown Mountain tomorrow morning. As you can see, they got Frankie behind me, the big yellow, I don't know what you call it. I would just call it the yellow monster. Something's in my camping gearbox rattling. It's going tink, tink, tink. Almost sounds like a hi-hat. I didn't have the radio on. I'm thinking, how do I hear music? When I hit about 45 miles an hour, it gives me a good beat. Life on a farm's kinda laid back, ain't nothing those country boys we can't have. Early to rise, early in the sack. Thank God I'm a country boy. Eating a little late, so I had a bagel at home. Didn't get a pre-trail McMuffin. I did get a pre-trail donut hole. Yeah, bop, 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 bop. Yeah, nothing beats the McMuffin, man. I knew this place existed. It's pretty nice. Road is rough as hell. Believe it or not, this is the best wheeling I've had all year. The homemade moonshine.
Someone's running down 109, 105 butt naked tonight. It may be me or maybe you.
It's been a hobby.
Nah, I'm gonna have some after dinner.
That's been a hobby for me for years. I make wine too. It's probably not the best you ever had.
Homemade moonshine. Not much of a drinker. What's so funny, Frankie?
Drunk as shit right now, Nick.
He was giggling like a little girl.
That's damn right.
Instapot 4 hours.
Pray to Jesus.
Day 3 of being in the wild. They finally accepted me into their pack.
That was a dud.
Light.
Flash the light one more time.
Of course, they're not going to do it now.
He just flashed it. I'm going to tell you something. Whoever got on top of that damn shelf up there has got to be tired.
Oh, yeah.
Unfortunately, Jerry was the only one of us who can get up at sunrise and took these pictures to show us later. Well, it's day 2. We just ate breakfast, packed up camp, and getting ready to head out to Brown Mountain. We're all moving kind of slow this morning. It was a good night last night. Very comfortable. that's the end of that. The drone stuck in a tree. We spent the next hour and a half, 2 hours trying to get the drone out of the tree. We finally left with our tails between our legs, beat up. We were hot and tired. I think some of us had some engagements later on in the day, so we didn't really have enough time to hit Brown Mountain, nor did any of us feel like wheeling. We were just put through the paces. So we called it quits, and we'll come back on another day. All right, thanks for watching.